Hello, my fellow idiots, and welcome to the season finale of the Guardian, aka ModBot series. Now, in the last episode, we did reason command. We actually do case logs. I have reset the server, so all of them gone. And I was supposed to, but I forgot to go between episodes and update all the commands. So we're gonna do that now. So we got the warn command that does all this. Can a band member must apply reason? Right, the reason is now optional because of this code. Okay, the stuff at the top. Okay, let's do this properly. Okay, right. Righty-tighty. Const settings. Yes, we'll probably need that as well. Wait, why is it there but not here? Where do we use settings? Oh, yes. I remember now. Do you? Okay, let's make this look the same so I can see what's missing. Okay, we can get rid of reason. Okay. Let's add the case number to this line. Pardon me. And then we need to add this. And change that to ban. Oh wait, run async. Alright. Now I am going to comment out the actual ban command. And I'm going to strip York's admin role. Okay, you're booted up, so if I do ban York, modlog channels lit up. Yep. And if we do reason 1 fuck nugget. Yeah. Oh, I found out why that's doing that. Or at least I believe I did. It's because how I'm doing it, because I'm passing it. Where's the reason command? I'm passing it through the embed sanitizer and it removes the timestamp for some reason. But when we do season 2, I'll be like properly updating this to coincide with GuideBot. Just basically show you how to go from this to GuideBot. It's going to be fun, quote unquote. Okay, now we've got ban and warn updated. Now we need to do kick. But for that, I could just do this. Copy. Paste. Change you to kick. Kickable. I cannot kick that member. I need to mention someone to kick them. Message.user.kick. Oh wait, no, they do it differently. Guild.member user.kick. I believe that's it. Okay, let's quickly pull up the documentation. Okay, discord.js. Documentation. Search. Kick. And that's going on the guild member, so it's guild member reason. So we want. Let's look at guild. guild. And it has a singular member, I believe. Yeah, member. And it takes a user object, and that'll give you, returns the guild member, which you can apply kick to on the end. So message guild member user kick. Okay, that should be sorted. Let's test that one out. Online. Kick. York. Huh. Oh, different prefix. Oopsie. Yep, that one works. Reason 2. We know the reason command works, so I'm not going to bother with the reason command. Okay, mute command. That's slightly different. Only slightly. But we'll just leave that on for a minute. Unban. Oh, yeah. That's the unban event. Aha, that reminds me. This is no longer a thing. Sometime, I want to say mid to late July, and I do apologise it's taken me this long to actually acknowledge it, but this, I can't remember, I think it, between July and September, Discord Inc. removed default channels, so you can basically, I actually do this, I'll demonstrate. So you could do this, delete channel, yes. Modlog, delete channel, yes. Oh look, no text channels. Ooh. Create channel, general, create channel, Modlog. But yeah, they've gone and removed it so people, it's to combat those that tried like wiping via the API, like month-old channels, because you can't bulk delete messages over 2 weeks old. So the other option is to like fetch messages, delete one by one, fetch messages, delete one by, and that put a tremendous strain on the API. So my theory is that they've allowed to delete the channels so you could just start over, so you don't abuse the API doing that. And potentially to make way for channel categories. Now I would love to touch on to categories, but right now I'm using Discord version 11.2.1 and categories have not been added. They're added in version 12, which at the time of this recording is not released yet. I will not be, I'm not going to touch the unban event. I'm not going to touch the ban event. I'm not going to touch these events at all because we don't need them. However, we do need to finish off what we're doing, so we need to do the mute command. Okay, so let's grab U3. U3. Actually, let's go from there to there. Copy. Go to there. Okay, this is bitching about a lot of things. Okay, args. Defilement never used. I'll show you out in a fucking minute. Okay, can I move these up? Ah, yes I can. Let's get rid of you. Let's get rid of you. And you, because they're now optional. Okay. And now I just need to throw in the... yeah, the reason right there. All right. Do not have the correct permission. All right. Now let's test this. mute, York. I keep forgetting the wrong prefix. Mute, York. I cannot find a mute role. Okay, let's check what the role is supposed to be. Oh, I did not set one. Right. Oh wait, no, yes I did. Yes I did. Right there, so I need to create a role. Role, yeah, there's not that. Plus role. Muted. Save changes. I'm going to revoke the... Where are you? Read text channels and see voice channels permission. Save. Okay, now let's try that again. Mute York. Okay. Muted. That's looking fine. Okay, I apparently... that is weird. Because on my end, I can still see the channel. Huh. Okay, let me just tweak the role settings for a minute. Okay, wait. Okay, let's see. Since they are muted, they're not allowed to do anything. Nothing whatsoever, because if they're muted, they've been naughty, and you don't reward people being naughty. No, you punish them. No, apparently my guy can still see the channels. Why? I do not know. I apparently have a notification. So, I'm officially muted, but for some reason, it's not stopping me from seeing the channels. I mean, look. And as far as I'm aware, there's no channel overrides. Well, I guess I best add them myself. Muted. Okay, now I can't see the general channel. Okay, I can apparently still see the channel. But I can't. Okay, now let's unmute me. Oh, crap, I can't unmute me. Shit. Oh, wait. Shit. Oh, wait, I can grab the user ID there. Let's see if this will work. Yes. Okay, as long as there's a mention, you can unmute them. But where's the kit? Oh, I didn't update the fucking... Yeah, that's one thing I forgot to do. I forgot to update this. I forgot to put the footer on. Okay, is that it? Okay, yeah. Well, that's a bit of an annoyance, but it works. Okay, lockdown. I'm not gonna bother with this because it still works, still viable. But that... Okay, let's see. Ban, help, kick, lockdown, mute, ping, purge, reason, reload, unban one. Okay, that's pretty much it. as it with this being the final episode, I don't honestly see the point right now with focusing on the default channel stuff. Personally speaking, I mean, I'm aware, you know, it's a big pain in the arse, but right now, I don't see the point of actually, you know, trying to redo it. Mainly because, you know, this is a bot designed for a single guild. So, I mean, yeah, it's not multi-guild compatible. And again, people have been telling me this shit doesn't work on multiple guilds. It's like, dude, I know. It's set for a singular guild. Admittedly, I was gonna next season was gonna be updating the code to what I do now, and making it multi-guild ready. However, with the introduction and the release of GuideBot, or should I say the resurrection of GuideBot, that's been made redundant because Eevee decided to incorporate multi-guild settings natively straight off the bat. So, now, I'm only going to do it in one command. Let's close all these. I'm going to do it in the ban command. Remember, this and this are commented out, so you won't uncomment them out if I forget to. But this line is a bit generic. It explains that it can't ban that member, but it doesn't explain why. For example, are you trying to ban yourself? Are you trying to ban someone with a higher role than yourself and or the bot? Are you trying to ban someone else? So we're going to just quickly do something. Actually, let's make a function. New file. Well, let's pass the user. Okay, right. The aim of this file is to verify the user is a member of the guild. I will say this will prevent the hack ban that everyone keeps referring to, even though it's just a guild ban, you fucking morons. But we want to verify the user for the guild, etc., etc. So we're going to export.modules because we want to no, not modules. Export.pass user because we want to. There we go. We want to export it so we can use it in all the other functions. So let's see. Why plus sign, York? Come on. Okay, and no, I don't need to export it. I'm already exporting it. Okay. We want to pass the user, but I also want to pass the message. So, message user. Okay. Const member. We want to see if they're a member. Message guild.member user. Why are you? Oh wait, no, not dot. There we go. I was going to do something. What was I going to do? Let's, on the safe side, throw null in there just in case. If user.id message.author.id, this is the first check. Return message.channel.send you cannot do that to yourself. Why did you try? Get a bit of sass in there. Okay, so if the user ID you're passing is the same as the message author, it'll tell you you can't do that. Else if member, gotta use the member. Actually, let's be uniform about this. There we go. Else if member. What we want to check the role. If member dot highest role dot position. Is that a thing? Let me just quickly check. Turns a guild member object. So guild member row, was it highest row, highest row, it is a thing. Now returns position. Okay. If member dot highest row dot position is greater or equal to message member dot highest row dot position. Basically, if the words if the member, aka the user that you're trying to moderate, has a higher position in the roles than you, then it'll throw this error. Return message.channel.send these, that's a string York. The targeted member has a higher or equal role position than you. Okay. Now, the final bit. Oh, no. Else if member dot actually no, we won't bother with that because this is just a quick check. I don't want to tailor it to a specific moderation command. Because you could throw in like bannable or kickable, but in this context, if they're not kickable, then they're not bannable, and vice versa. So we've got pass user. So we want to const pass user equals require dot back util dot pass user dot js, and we'll throw it right here. Pass user, and we want to throw in the message, and we want to throw in the user. Save. Now, if I am right, and it is very likely I am not, if I were to, that was the ban command. Yeah, that was the ban command. So if I was to do ban York, pass user is not a function. Well, I fucking think it is. Export pass, that is a fucking function. Okay, let's do. Actually, let's change you to a let. So I can do user equals this. Let's try that again. Ban York. Pass using off. Is this another one of those fucking annoying things? Alright, let's do that. Debugging live with York. Hey. Okay, now let's throw on administrator role. Now, if I remember, the administrator role is indeed higher than the idiotbot role, which is right here. So now, if I try to issue a ban to York again, there you go. The targeted member has a higher or equal role position than you. Okay, now, ban York. Let me try and ban myself. Hey, there we go. Now, all you need to do is... Actually, I'm going to move this up here. Will that actually affect anything? Let's just try that. I need to remove the fucking role. What am I doing? I'm losing my mind. Okay, here we go. Right. Ban. York. Boom. Message. Yay. Okay. So, I want to copy you. And copy you. Copy. Kick. Onto you and you. Hey, so that's kick. So go there. So you and you. Also, I am holding down Control, so I can select multiple lines. So I've selected that one. I'm holding down Control, and I'm clicking that line. And I'm hitting Control V to paste it. Okay. Now, let's go on a spree. Mute. Actually, no, we'll say mute for last. One. York. That works. Kick. York. Mute. York. Okay, warn and kick, mute. They all work. Now, copy edit. Unmute. Welcome back, York. Now, let's give York the administrator role again. I want to see if this actually works. Actually, admin role work. Okay, we know ban works. Warn, York. Nope. Kick, York. Nope. Mute, York. Nope. Okay. Now we can punish fellow staff. Now, this won't work if the idiot bot role is higher than, I say for example, some servers, they've got like that. Got your admin, then you got your mod bot, which is higher than your moderators. A little bit here, but yeah, that some people have that. Let's just reset that. But yeah, that is basically it now. We now have for a single guild, we have a fully functioning, kickable of null, roles of null. What's this? Okay, let me go. I'm just going to move this over here so I can see what's going on. Okay, let's try kick York again. Cannot read property kickable of null. So kickable. That's wall. Okay. Kick. Oh. I think, okay, let's try this. Let's change that back to const. And let's do that. Okay, I didn't consider that. Kick York. Now, however, we have a problem. It double responds, which is annoying. Well, we'll just remove this line on both of these. Actually, I can set that back to const and delete you. Let's do it for mute as well. Okay, and one. Now I have a file save all. Save all. There we go. Mute. What's mute bitching about now? I fucking told you to save. Const. Oh yeah, pass user. Okay. Right. That is it, guys. We have now a finished moderation bot for one guild. In the next season, I'll be updating the commands to GuideBot. We'll be updating the code to GuideBot. Actually, thinking about it, I might just nuke the current app code and the events code, because yeah, a lot of this stuff, I mean, let me pull up GuideBot. GitHub, GuideBot. I'll pull up their main file. Let's just minimize that. Okay, look at give me the app. Okay, this is what we've made. And this is GuideBot. Yeah, it looks completely different. But, as I said, that'll be for a new series. As I said, we are officially done with Season 1. It's done. It's over. You can go home now. I'm going to be actually taking some time. I'm actually going to get a lot of the new series recorded in one go. Because one thing I found out is when I've had chance to record, I've not been in the mood. So, when I get in the mood to record, because I'm going to try and record when the kids are asleep. My son's actually sleeping all the way through the night now, so it should be a bit easier. But yeah, expect a better content schedule. But yeah, guys, thank you for joining me this episode, and I hope to see you in the next. If you want to stay up to date with everything, you can follow me on Twitter. You can follow me on YouTube. You can subscribe to me, ring the bell, you get notified of when I upload. If you want to support me, you can support me via Patreon. Every penny that you guys pledge is amazing, and I just want to thank you to those who have pledged me in the past, are currently pledging to me, and a great big thank you to those who are thinking about pledging to me. It's the thought that counts, and I want to thank you. I'll see you guys in the next series. Bye.